Hello, little scholars! Welcome to the Color Learning Adventure. Today, we're going to explore all the beautiful colors around us. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! First up, we have the color red. Red is the color of apples, fire trucks, and roses. Say red. Next is yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun, bananas, and cute ducks. Say yellow. Now let's look at blue. Blue is the color of the sky, the whale, and blueberries. Say blue. Green is next. Green is the color of grass, trees, and frogs. Say green. Here comes orange. Orange is the color of carrots, pumpkins, and tigers. Say orange. Now we have purple. Purple is the color of grapes, eggplants, and lavender flowers. Say purple. Next is pink. Pink is the color of pigs, cotton candy, and flamingos. Say pink. Black is here. Black is the color of bats, sunglasses, and crows. Say black. Finally, we have white. White is the color of snow, sheep, and milk. Say white. Now let's practice what you've learned. I'll name a color, and you point to it. Are you ready? Let's go! First one is yellow. Where is yellow? Correct! Nice job! Can you find pink? Where's pink? You're right! Amazing! Next, find orange. Where is orange? Correct! Nice job! Lastly, find red. Can you find red? You're right! Amazing! Great job, little scholars! Now you know your colors: red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, pink, black, and white. Keep exploring and finding colors all around you. Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.